Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Gideon and I share spiritual tip here in this channel. If today is your first time of seeing my video, you're highly welcome to my channel. Please subscribe to be a member of this channel and give the video a thumbs up if you like my teaching. Okay, in today's video I want to share with you how you can drop sea salt on your picture to scatter the evil plans of the enemy in your life. Okay, if you know this secret, you don't need to be afraid of whatever evil plan your enemy have against you. You don't need to be afraid, only if you know this secret, which I'll be revealing to you in this video. So make sure you are watching this video to the end. Don't stop on the way, okay? Make sure you watch the video to the end so that you get every details on how you can use this sea salt and your picture to destroy and scatter every evil plan the enemy has against you. Welcome back. Like I was saying, you can destroy the evil plans of your enemy using sea salt and your picture. Some people believe that they don't have enemy, but when I look at them, I laugh. Because once you are existing on earth, once you are existing here on earth, you must have an enemy, either spiritual enemy or physical enemy. You must have either of them. Some people even have both. Some people even have both enemies. Okay, these enemies will be fighting your finances, your marriage, your health, fighting you to make sure that you are not happy living on earth. Okay, so if you really want to scatter whatever evil plan your enemy is having, you need to do this assignment. Okay, you need to do this assignment with sea salt and your picture. Now, how do you do this? You need to go and get sea salt. You need to go and get sea salt, and you need to go and get your picture. Now, when you get sea salt, you are going to pour it in your palms, and you get your picture. Now, drop that sea salt on top of the picture, and get your Bible. Open Psalm 37, verse 12. Use Psalm 37, verse 12, and do this prayer for good 3 days. For good 3 days. As you are doing that prayer, be saying that wherever they are having their evil plans against your life, that you are destroying it today, that will be your prayer point for that good 3 days. Okay, let God fight both your spiritual and physical battles, the one that you know and the one that you don't know. Okay, this will be your prayer point. Okay, now for the first day, once you finish praying, you dispose the sea salt and keep your picture. Okay, the second day you add another sea salt and do the same prayer and dispose it. The third day you add a new sea salt and do the prayer and you keep your picture. Okay, the third day, which is the last day, you are going to keep the picture. You understand? You are not going to throw away your picture. That picture that you used to do that prayer for that 3 days, you are not going to throw it away. You are going to keep it. Okay, but make sure you do the prayer. You can do the prayer in the morning, you can do it in the afternoon, you can do it in the night. Okay, anytime that you feel like doing it, but make sure while you are doing this prayer, you are reading Psalm 37, verse 12, and your sea salt must be on top of your picture if you really want to scatter these evil plans of the enemy. Okay, so once you do this, whatever evil plan they are having against you, they will never succeed with their evil plans. Yes, they will never succeed. Okay, so that is what you can do with your sea salt and your picture to destroy whatever evil plan the enemy has against you. If you have any question that you want to ask regarding this video, and you do this spiritual assignment, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you like my teaching. You are free to ask questions if you want to ask questions, but make sure you are using the comment section. Okay, and if you want to talk to me directly, use my number on the screen. Don't pick number from the comment section to avoid being scammed. Okay, so that is what you can use sea salt and your picture to scatter the evil plans of your enemy. Okay, so make sure you do this, and by the special grace of God, your testimony will come so fast. Okay, so see you guys in my next video. Bye.